Hello and welcome to the Fixit Shed. So I'm doing a video by request today and I'm going to talk about ratchet straps. And whether you have a large ratchet strap like this or a smaller one like this, their operation is pretty much the same. So for some of the close-ups I'm going to be using the larger ratchet strap because these things are easier to see, but I'm going to demonstrate with the smaller one. Okay, so let's talk about this large ratchet strap. So first of all, it has three functions. You can ratchet the strap to tighten things up, so you can see, you know, these teeth, it grabs a hold of these teeth and it moves them, and this dog locks it into place, and there's one on each side. Okay, and as you ratchet it, you see this will move up and down to lock on the teeth so that it doesn't come loose. So this handle, in addition to ratcheting and tightening, it will also, you can close it completely and it will lock. You see how this piece of metal here locks that into place so that this can't move out of the way accidentally. So the other thing that it does is it releases that. As you can see here, you know, this cam will push on these dogs on both sides again, and that will release it so that this can spin freely. All right, let's demonstrate it on the small ratchet strap. So I'm going to attach one end to this post. If there was a hook or something, I could hook it on very easily. This doesn't have one, so I'm gonna wrap it around, and I'm gonna bring the strap through this eye to secure it. Okay. All right, so now I'm going to attach the ratcheting handle to this handle right here. It's kind of too big to just hook it onto. That would probably be preferred. I can't really slip it through here, so I'm gonna put it on this way. Probably not the most secure. You wouldn't want to do this if you were transporting something on a trailer. So now you want to have this so that the ratchet, so that the slot is in this orientation so that you can easily put the strap, feed the strap through. Okay, and then you want to pull as much slack out of the strap as you can. Okay, and I usually just kind of hold it like this, and then you can start ratcheting and tightening it. Okay, and that gets nice and secure. So if I keep ratcheting, that'll actually slide my lawnmower across the floor, because you get quite a bit of pull. Yeah, you can see that's moving across the floor now. All right, so that's as tight as that's gonna get. So, and then for transport, to lock this into place, you can see the dog here is behind that metal tab, so that won't come loose accidentally. And then a lot of people like to tie this around it so that the handle stays in place and doesn't move. So you can do that. You want to make sure that you tie off this end so that this isn't flapping in the breeze 6 feet behind your truck or trailer, and because that will eventually fray the end of your strap and make it harder to use and shorten its life. So now that you've arrived at your destination, you want to pull up on the handle so that you can move the ratchet strap handle freely, and then as it presses up on these dogs, it releases the tension so that you can unwind the strap. Oops. Okay, and that's how a ratchet strap functions. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care.